Okay, guys. Today we are going to be making a mason jar, well, spaghetti jar, with a bee on it. But the real fun bit for this craft is going to be this really new printing technique that I figured out. So, I've got a printout of a bee here, okay? Now, this bee is computer printed, but we want to get it on this jar. So how do we do that? Well, you take the back side, and you can see how you can kind of see the pattern of the bee's trail through it. What I did is I very carefully traced over that outline using my pencil. And I used lots more graphite than I needed. Like I really scribbled hard, made big, thick, dark lines. And then I went to this side, and I put the side with all the graphite on, all that loose graphite on it. I put that up against the side of the jar, and I, as you can see, traced on it, I scratched on it, I did a whole bunch of stuff to make an impression on the jar. Now look, boom, we've got a almost as good as printer quality bee on the jar. Okay, so this project is going to be a couple of steps. In your packet, you're going to find a jar. You're going to find a little container of yellow paint, a little container of white paint, a little container of black paint, and a little container of glitter. So what you got to do is you're going to paint it yellow to start. That's going to be the baseline color. You're probably going to want to let this sit for at least a day to dry. Then, once it's dried, you're going to do as I showed you, and you're going to take your bee printout, or if you don't want to do that, you can do something else. You probably have to get your own paint if you want a different color. But if you want to make the bee one, then you would take the bee and you would hold it up to a light and trace along the black dots, the black lines for the bee. You're not going to be able to get the whole trail there, but you can at least get a bee on it. And then you hold it up to the side, trace that over, press it down. You're actually going to need to use maybe a little tweezers and rub it down. You're going to need to put a lot of pressure focused onto the part where the graphite is. And then you'll have your tracer. You're going to want to go and use a marker and trace it and make it nice solid lines. Then you can fill in the stinger and some of the lines with black. And then you can take the white. I'd suggest letting the black paint dry. Then you're going to want to take the white paint, and you're going to want to paint his wings white. And then, if you want sparkles, and if your parents will tolerate it, you'll take a little pinch of that glitter and put the glitter on, sprinkle the glitter onto the wings. And then you'll have a vase that's yellow with black bee stripes and white wings that glitter. And you can put flowers and stuff in it. I think that's pretty cool. All right, guys. I'll see you next month. Next month, we are starting in-person stuff. Please check the calendar at muld.org to see what the new and interesting things we've got going on are. All right. See you then. Bye-bye.